on, guys! But there is one good... I have three good reasons why I decided to take a video with my own Mini Cooper S John Cooper Works. One, well, I started my channel with this car. Number two, the first video that I shot was in Netherlands. And now I'm in beautiful Sardinia, which is, I think, the natural habitat for this car. And number three, well, this one stings a little. This is probably the last video I ever made with this car. I decided to sell my car to invest it on Car Tribute. I'm the only owner. I treat it like a sister. And I love my sister. About 70,000 kilometers, almost 5 years of age. I think it's the right time for me to let go of this car, but mainly because I will invest probably 80% of it in equipment for my video. I decided to invest everything that I get from this car software, but just getting my first drone coming in. Driving this road, all you need to make sure traction control always off. You want to control this car, and sports mode. You want your sport mode in this car. Do not ever attempt to buy a Mini without it, because it has a very nice rigid setting. Oh! I miss this road, man. I want to show you what this car does. I'm genuinely gonna miss this car. I've been through a lot. It's been in several countries. I bought this in North Italy at the border with Sicily, and then I drove to Netherlands, which is exactly 1,000 kilometers, and I lived there for 3 years. From Netherlands, I drove to many places in Germany, so this car was in the Autobahn as well. Full speed. Also drove to Paris to this car from Netherlands, which is 400 kilometers, and drove back. If you're wondering why I have this thing on my number plate, it's because you're not allowed to be here with your car. It's quite restricted. So we are now in a place called Vignola. And what I like about this place, the beach is quite long, so I'm going to start with there. The very end, it's a very thin sand. It gets thicker and thicker and thicker here until you get stones, like little stones, still manageable to walk on foot, but nothing compared to that. If I bring people from all around the world to visit me, this is the place that I come because I think it has all options. So I think this car deserves